Welcome back, guys. Now we'll discuss about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earns a commission for promoting and driving sales or traffic to a company's products or service. Let's say Udemy.com. We can promote Udemy's courses as an affiliate. So when someone buy a course from my link, I will get a commission from Udemy. That's the process. Affiliates means, let's say you or me. So affiliates typically use unique traffic links to measure their contribution. I'll show you everything in the practical in the next video. So there are lots of affiliate network in the market. Most popular affiliate network are Amazon affiliate, ClickBank, ShareSell, Commission Junction, Rakuten, Impact, PartnerStack, and many more. Also, we can work on individual platform like tool-based platform. Let's say Discip.com affiliate or hosting company like hostinger.com affiliate or Bluehost or Shopify. These are the individual platform and they have their own affiliate network. So either we can join a partner website like ShareSell or Impact or PartnerStack, or we can directly apply to the individual platform like Hostinger or Bluehost, anything like that. There are many ways to promote affiliate products. In this course, we just see video methods to promote affiliate products. There are other methods like website SEO or blogging strategy, then social media marketing, advertising, email marketing, paid advertising, then forum, coupon, partnership, and there are lots of ways to promote. We'll stick to video marketing in this course. I hope you understand the basic. In the coming videos, you will see a practical method to create account, create links, and add that link into the video to get commission. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.